Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to use a timer in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To find our timer, we first have to go to our main menu here, and here we have clock application. We will go here, and our timer is right here next to stopwatch at the bottom of the screen. To set up a timer, we simply swipe up and down hours, minutes, and seconds. Let's see if we can start it to see if it works. And it works. Yes, dismiss, and our timer is working. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.